Si Yan Lim at Kim Chu sinurpresa ng birthday ang kanilang ate Cam Chu. Ganito ka-special ang ate ni Kim sa couple. Nagpasalamat nga si Cam Chu kina Sian at Kim dahil tuwing birthday niya ay palaging may pa-surprise.
So much for being my strength, my everything. You mean so much to me, and I'm very lucky to have you as my sister. But I love you so much, Titi May. Thank you, Auntie. Hindi ka na.
Matapos ang birthday sa Lubong, may birthday party ngang nakahanda para kay Cam Chu at magkasama ngang nag-prepare nito sina Sian at Kim. Napaka-sweet nga ng couple kay Cam Chu.
Birthday ko, para... Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Look at that! That's so big! Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Come on! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Titi Kami! Okay, wish mo na wish. Woohoo! Yes!
Halos maiyak nga si Kim sa message para sa kanyang ate Cam. Masayang-masaya at thankful lang siya sa second life na binigay para sa kanyang ate. Ganito niya ito kamahal.
Happy birthday!
Sabi ni Cam Chu, you never fail to amaze me with all this Lubong's birthday. Sa buhay ko, my Queen Kim. Grabe kayo. I wanna cry and of course to see, maraming salamat. Love you guys so much. Happy birthday to me, grateful for the gift of life, for the gift of love, and most especially, I love you all and I love you everybody. Magunit mo pa yun.
Music na tayo. Hey, sorry. Happy birthday. Tapos pag-post ng kanta, pwede ka na kanta. Na-record yun. Ano si Ate London? Siya na Ate London. Ikaw ang smart ko. I-post sa kanta agad ang mga pinag-birthday.
Dagdag ni Cam Chu, grateful for you every day, my queen, Chinita Princess. I love you too so much. Shout out to my beautiful Salubong Cake. Thank you so much. As in, through all these years, grabe ka, you never fail to surprise me talaga.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ay, maingay baka.
Paano,
Mata manis siya, nagkuan-kuan lang, huy.
paano pag si Ate Ray pala may birthday?
Ayan mo na siya.
Happy birthday!